Hello everyone. The challenge is to keep your living space cool without causing your electricity consumption to skyrocket. My top 8 cooling tips will help you make your home into a soothing summertime oasis while keeping your energy use in check. Number 1. Set your AC to 24 degrees Celsius. The U.S.'s Bureau of Energy Efficiency says setting your air conditioner at 24 degrees Celsius for optimal performance and savings. At this level, the AC's compressor can shut off once the desired temperature is reached, reducing overall electricity use. Number 2. Install a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat gives you precision control over the temperature in your home. You can adjust the setting by single degrees, with no impact on your comfort, but potentially reducing your electricity consumption. You can also program this kind of thermostat to cool your space when you're home and raise the temperature when you're away, a simple step that can save you lots of energy. Programmable thermostats can even become part of your smart home along with motion sensors, remote control locks, and more. Number 3. Keep up with regular AC maintenance. The best way to make sure your AC unit delivers the most cool for the least money is by keeping it in good condition. Dirty or clogged filters can lower your unit's efficiency by 5 to 15%. Clean and replace your filters regularly to avoid a full AC breakdown or costly repairs for issues such as carbon monoxide leaks or defective materials. Speak to your AC agent about the maintenance plans to prolong the lifespan of your AC and ensure your unit runs efficiently when you need it most. Number 4. Seal gaps and close doors. A well-sealed home ensures that when your air conditioner is on, the cool indoor air doesn't simply escape outdoors, and having a well-sealed home means your air conditioner doesn't need to work so hard to keep the air at your ideal temperature. Close any doors to rooms you aren't using, like laundries and bathrooms, to keep cool air where you need it most. Sealing gaps around doors and windows and using draft excluders will help you to ensure the cool air can escape and the hot summer air can't get in. Finally, you can save about 10% a month on your cooling bills by following these tested tips. Enjoy your time. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.